go to the office.
What'd I do?
Just go to the office.
What'd I do?
Go, just go.
What'd I
No. Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Yo, what the f?
Hi.
What the f?
Let's go, bro. Right now, hurry up. Hold on, do it. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God.
What? Oh my God!
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
I know, man. You worked a long time. Oh man, no, man. What the hell?
You need to leave.
Remy, come. Remy, sit. Speak.
Fuck!
Good boy.